What's up everyone, it's Cheptiony Mutai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media tech, freelance and business. So the month of June in Kenya is the deadline for filing income tax for businesses and individuals. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use AI to prepare your books of accounts in order to file your income tax as a self-employed person, as a freelancer or a small business owner. Stay tuned.
Cheptiony, Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world that is free, here the freedom reign.
So before we get started doing this video, I want to emphasize on few things that you need in order to get started preparing your books of accounts in preparation to file your income tax for your business, freelancing or your big business. So you will need your bank statement for the past year, that is the year 2025 from January to December 31st. So that one you can request from your bank where you bank. If you have more than one bank that you use in transacting, I recommend that you get the statements from both banks, then come to this video and watch till the end. So once you have your bank statements with you, I recommend that you use premium version of Gemini or AI tool that you would want to use in generating the P&L accounts as well as the balance sheets for your businesses. For myself, I use Google Workspace. You can get enterprise version of Gemini when you are subscribed to Google Workspace. So the reason I recommend using the premium version of the AI tool of your choice is because of the privacy reasons. You do not want to expose your private data, your private bank account data to the public for using training AI. So when you use enterprise version, your private data is protected. So as you can see here on generative AI for Google Workspace for Gemini, you see that Gemini does not use your prompt to access content, web page content, generated responses to train generative AI models without your permission. They do not share your prompts or generated responses with other users or organizations. That means that your data, if you upload anything that is a bank statement or anything to the AI tool, your data is protected. So this is very important. Do not share your private data if you're using the free AI tools. So once you have this in mind, let's now go on how to prepare your books of accounts. So this is Gemini AI. So you will write a prompt here to ask AI tool to generate for you a P&L account, that is profit and loss statement based on the bank account transactions. When you're using Gemini AI, there are two options when you are uploading the bank account statement. When you click on the plus button here, you can upload your bank account details or you can add from Google Drive. To avoid issues with uploading, which I experienced when doing this video, is to upload your documentation, that is the bank statements that you'd like to use in generating the profit and loss account and balance sheets for your business or for your small business, for your freelancing. I recommend that you upload all the statements that you'd like the AI to use in extracting data and using to generate the P&L accounts and balance sheet. I recommend that you upload them to Google Drive. Then now you can upload it here. You can see the issue that I experienced here. I uploaded here my bank statement. This is the bank statement, then this is the withholding tax document, and as you can see, because I uploaded these PDF documents, that is the bank statement and all this withholding documentation, so there was a problem. So once I uploaded these documents to Google Drive, the AI was able to extract the data. It says the extraction of data worked perfectly, and I was able to extract the documentation, and I was able to get all the data that I needed. And as you can see here, this is the sample tax accounts that was generated by the AI tool. These are the information that you will need as an individual, a freelancer, a self-employed person, a small business owner, or a big business owner. You will need to submit or to fill the P&L accounts on the tax document. And this is the information that I will need, for example, for this source, for the two sources of income, that is farming income and then YouTube income. So these are the this is a sample document. This is not the real figures that I have on my accounts. So the information that you see here in this sample P&L accounts, and then there is this balance sheet here, is the information that I'll be entering into the tax document. This is the individual resident return document that you download on iTax portal. So you select auto-populated document. So for this case, as you can see here, there is farming income, there is YouTube income. So when you come here, you can see there is farming option, and there is other, where I can enter my YouTube information, etc, etc. So I created this video just to help you understand how you can go about using AI to prepare your P&L accounts, that is profit and loss account, so that you can easily find the data to enter into this to the profit and loss page here. Then the balance sheet as well. Here you have the information that you can use here to file your income tax. Once you have the profit and loss account, then the balance sheet account in order, the rest will be very easy for you to do. So I hope you found this information very valuable to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. How do you use AI to simplify the process of compiling your information or your data for the purposes of filing your income tax? Let me know in the section below. Do you use AI? Have you tried to use AI to compile your documents for the purposes of filing your returns? Let me know in the comment section below here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptiony Mutai.
Cheptiony Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, here the freedom.